In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and today I would like to show you how you can change your keyboard theme. First of all, you need to launch Settings and scroll to tap on this section called General Management. When you're ready, select Samsung Keyboard Settings and then scroll to tap on this section called Theme. Finally, tap on the best theme for you to apply it instantly and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!